Greetings to all. My name is Balusha and I am working as a software engineer in Alphalag IT Park. Today I am here to provide you some exciting information about our new software which is going to be revolutionary beneficial for you in future. The single-handedly software MyBiz can be used in various fields like sales, textiles, marketing, wholesale and retail of furniture, mobile accessories, computer hardware, etc. For this, open the install software and type 1 as user ID and password. We can see the home page with menu bar which contains options like file, master, transactions, cash flow, reports, tools and help. First of all, we are going to take a look at file. It contains company info, user, configuration, license and log off. The company info includes the name of the company, the technology you are using, tax registration number, address of the company, office number, mobile number, fax number, email ID and current balance of the company. User ID provides basic information like ID, date, real name, username, password and also provide options like admin user and deactivation in account types. The next and important part of the software is configuration. To access configuration, type admin. Configuration contains enabling or disabling of email functions, print tax number, auto backupping, bill printing and SMS function. We can also add our personal email ID and password and also our company email ID in configuration. The master helps us to store the data of customers, dealers, staff, expense head, item head, bank head and loan head. As a trial, I am going to show you how it's done. Name of the company. Contact person. Phone number. IFSC code. Tax registration code, balance and bank details. Phone number, email ID, post office number and address. If you have enabled SMS function and email function in configuration, you can make it done to get proper notification in your handset. Format type is absolutely similar in the case of customers, dealers, staff, expense head, bank head and loan head. But in the case of item head, things are a little different. Item ID generates itself as a serial number. We can add item name and as a description we can include purchase rate, purchase tax, sale rate and sale tax. We can select the purchase unit as the export and import varies, so as the sale unit. The bank and loan details can be added in the bank head and the loan head respectively. The details of transaction of a company is done in these options. It contains sales, purchase, sales return and purchase return. The sales contain the dealing of company with customers. The purchase contain information about the company with the main dealers. If any of your product that you brought or you sold have returned, you can check it out in purchase return or in sales return. Cash flow deals with receipts, payment, expense of the company and deposit and withdrawal of banking, opening and closing of loan are also available. In the case of receipts, you can either type the ID of the customer to get all the information about him, or you can just list out him. In the case of payment, you can choose banking or by cash. The whole dealings and transaction of a company is listed out in reports like the master provides the dealing with customers, dealers, staff, item report, expense head, bank head and loan head. In the case of customers, we can get the information about the customers in master. We can see the name of the company, contacting person, phone number, tax required number, account number, IFSC code, email ID, post box number, address, balance of the company or the customer, and you can also see the grand total also. You can list all the customers or by person. The transaction deals with sales and purchases. The cash flow, which includes receipts, payment, expense, bank reports and loan reports. Daybook provides us the cash dealings and bank dealings per day. The details about cash dealings at the date that we give, as well as cash book. The bank book provides the details of transaction through bank that we had done. In ledger report, we can choose the head as dealer, customer, bank head or loan head, and we can give the date for accurate information of the transaction. In item tracking, there are three various methods for identifying the item that we sold. The first method is selecting the date to date. We can see the item ID, the item name, the staff, the quantity they sold and the amount they got. The second one is finding the specific item from date to date. And the third one is searching with or without the name of a staff. We can get the inward and outward day reports of the transaction that we made by giving specific date on day reports. MyBiz makes your business accounting much better. Choose MyBiz as a better companion in your business field. Thank you for watching.